gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Red Magic, basically the last real gaming phone brand still going strong, is back with the new Red Magic 11S Plus Pro in this insane transparent black finish. And trust me, this thing is wild.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
First, quick unboxing. Inside, you get a frosted case with soft touch sides, a hard plastic back, and a USB-C cable. Now the phone. Red Magic keeps that signature transparent design, and yep, you can literally see the liquid cooling system inside. The camera area also blends perfectly into the display, and honestly, that confidence says a lot. Back then, Red Magic stood out because of its built-in cooling fan. It kept gaming smooth and temperatures low. But now, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, even Huawei are doing active cooling too. So Red Magic pushed things even further, combining liquid cooling with air cooling. At this point, this doesn't even feel like a phone anymore. It's basically a gaming cooler that can make calls. Let's turn it on. And here's something almost every brand killed off. The 3.5mm headphone jack is still here on the top. Huge win. The boot animation feels straight out of an anime, like emergency, alien invasion incoming. Super dramatic, but honestly pretty fun. Now look closely at this display. The bezels are ridiculously thin, and yes, the front camera is still hidden under the screen, but this time the pixel density is so good you genuinely can't spot it. Let's test the selfie camera real quick. I honestly expected compromises, but wow, the AI processing does a great job. Facial details and even tiny hair strands look sharp, and the bright light above me is handled surprisingly well. For an under-display camera, this is seriously impressive. Back to the display, the immersion here is crazy, mainly because of those ultra-thin bezels, and the 2.5D curved edge between the frame and display gives it this floating screen look that feels super premium in hand. After using it for a bit, this honestly feels more like a portable gaming console than a smartphone. You get a true full-screen experience, gaming shoulder triggers, and a dedicated game space switch. If mobile gaming matters to you, this phone is absolutely worth watching. And this is just the early unboxing and first look. Full review coming after launch. See you guys in the next one. Bye!